Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we shall guide you through creating a stunning drawing of a basket in easy steps. Hi everyone, let's dive into our drawing gorgeous basket together. Begin by sketching the basic shape of the basket using simple lines. Remember to keep your lines light and loose for easy adjustments. Next, add details like the weaving pattern of the basket. Take your time to carefully replicate the intricate texture of the wave. Don't worry about making it perfect. Imperfections add character. Now, let's add some shading to give our basket depth and dimension. Use light strokes to create highlights and darker shades for shadows. Blend the shading smoothly for a realistic effect. Experiment with different shading techniques to see what works best for you. As you work, pay attention to the direction of the light source for realistic shadows. Feel free to add some fruits, flowers, or other items peeking out of the basket for extra details. Don't be afraid to mix colors to achieve the perfect. Step back occasionally to assess your progress and make any necessary adjustments. Wow, our basket is really starting to take shape. Now, let's add some final touch to make it pop. Define the edges with crisp lines for a polished finish. Take inspiration from real life baskets or pictures you find. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and techniques. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to create art. Embrace imperfections and celebrate your own style. Art is subjective, so don't compare yourself to others. Focus on expressing yourself and enjoying the process. You are almost there. Congratulations, you did it. Give yourself a pat on the back. Remember, the journey of art is never ending. Keep exploring, learning, and growing as an artist. Thanks for watching our tutorial. We hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more art tutorials.